to my channel. I'm Nina. If you're new here, please subscribe and join the family. And today I'm going to be doing another review unboxing video, and it's with Coeebags, my little family. I always work with them. I've worked with them multiple times, and so I will leave all the links down below, but I usually just contact them on WhatsApp or Instagram. And so this is kind of my new setup for now. I'm literally just sat on my bed because it's comfy. It's just a chill one today, and I still need to sort out my dressing room, upload like the second part of my moving vlog. So I am now in my new place. I'm so happy, honestly. It's just so nice to have my own space. Honestly, I'm so happy to just have my own space. I'm so delighted. I will update you guys on the second part of that vlog if you have watched my recent upload. If you couldn't tell, I have moved. This is my new place. So today is just a sneaker review video with a brand I haven't tried yet before, but I've seen these everywhere and I just think they're so cool. They kind of remind me of DC's, if anyone remembers them back in the day, like skater boy shoe. That's what they remind me of. I do apologize if you can hear outside, hopefully not, but I do have my ring light on today because it's a bit of a dull day. It's been raining. It's been raining all day, and yeah, I just thought I'd film for you guys. I did get my hair done like a few days ago, so I'm back to a blondie because my outgrowth was so bad, but I was just too busy and stressed trying to move. I didn't have time to get my hair done, but yeah, I had a little pamper day and got my hair done a few days ago. But yeah, today I will be working with Coeebags again. They're my little family. I've worked with them multiple times. So yeah, today I'm doing a different brand. Today I'm doing, okay, my French is really bad, but I assume like LANVIN, if that's correct. I feel like some people call them LANVINs, LANVIN, but it's French, like, so LANVIN. That's, I mean, I did study French for years in school, but my French is quite bad. I'm absolutely in love with the box. It's like this gorgeous like bluey green color. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with green. Like my whole bed is like green. My top's green. Everything's green. I don't know why, but it's just my new like color at the minute. I'm obsessed with green. Just must be like my spiritual aura color at the minute. I'm in love with green. But yeah, I did try these for a change. I'll show you the colorway I chose, if any of you can guess already. I'll let you guess now before I show you. But yeah, like I said, I've worked with Coeebags multiple times before, and they're always brilliant in the packaging, and shipping is always very quick. A week or two. I was in the middle of moving at the time, so I had them sent to my friend's house. It was like a week or two. Sorry, this top keeps going up. I think it's meant to be down a bit more, but it's from Primark. But anyway, sorry, I do lose focus sometimes. Can't help it. I just wanted to say I'm so happy and so grateful to have my own space again, and got my hair done. I'm feeling myself. You know, we're going up and up and up. The only way is up. I just can't wait for the summer. I'm such a summer baby. Like my birthday is next month, the 29th of May, so I'm a May baby. I'm a Gemini, so I'm like 50-50 all the time. I need to book a holiday ASAP just to reset and refocus, you know, why not? Didn't go away last year. I went home twice, I think. At home, but that was pretty much it. But I need like a summer holiday, and I feel like everyone's going away at the minute. I'm just like, someone take me away. Yeah, hopefully I can get a holiday soon and take you guys with me. Anyway, let's just get on to the video. So today I have some LANVIN. I can't pronounce it, but LANVIN. But this is the gorgeous box that came in this like beautiful bluey greeny box. Women's casual shoe tennis low top sneakers. I mean, they don't give me tennis vibes. They give me skater vibes. But yeah, I got a size 6 because I just always feel like I need to size up on like chunky shoes. I love the packaging. So you just open this big box, and then you get this little card comes with it. I love this blue. I love their like colorway of the brand. It's just like a little card. LANVIN Paris. I want to go to Paris. I've never been. Oh no, I think I've been to France once when I was younger. I'd love to go to Paris. City of Love. But yeah, you also get a gorgeous dust bag. They're just perfect for traveling if you're going away. I love using the dust bags. But also if you want to store it in your wardrobe like that. Sometimes I keep the box for a while because I'm kind of like a hoarder, and then I get rid of it. I'm just going to open it up like so. It's so well packaged. But yeah, even the wrapping paper is embossed with the box. And here are the shoes. So I'm just going to take them out the box and show you guys. And they're in like little protective bags also, which also say the brand on. So I'm just going to take them out. But I'm absolutely obsessed with these. I think these with jeans, cargos, basically anything, I don't know, I just think they're gorgeous. But these are the shoes. They're just really chunky and big. So I feel like if you're not into chunky big like dad shoe vibe, then these won't be for you, but I'm just obsessed with the design. So I got these like blue grey colorway, blue grey black colorway. Ignore my nails, I don't have them done at the minute. I just took my old ones off. So I need to get a new set. I don't know what to get for my new set, so if anyone has any ideas, let me know. I'll probably just get French tip again because I feel like I always get French tip. Maybe I'll get green because green's my vibe recently, so maybe I'll get green, but I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I got this gorgeous black, grey and like a baby blue colorway. They've got so many colors, I feel like, but I just love these big chunky laces. Like, please, can we just look how gorgeous they are. I hope I don't ruin the laces because I assume you can wash the laces, but I just think these are gorgeous. They're very like chunky shoe. So I'm just gonna take this protective out. Oh, so it comes with like a normal lace as well. I assume they're underneath, so you can tighten the shoe with the normal lace, and then I assume this is more like design wise. But they feel such good quality. I'm absolutely obsessed. But on the inside of the sole, it has the writing on and the big chunky laces. I'm obsessed. I actually can't wait to wear these. I've been holding off wearing these so I can show you guys, but I'm obsessed. I can't wait to wear these. But yeah, they have the little logo here, and they're like a soft like suede material. I love the smell of like new shoes. I have a little logo here. This is the bottom of the shoe. I'm absolutely obsessed. I just think they're so funky, cool, like different, like not so average shoe. Because I feel like some of my friends don't like them and they're like, ew, no, what the hell are they? But like, I'm absolutely obsessed. If you owned a pair of DCs when you were younger, this is what gives me. Or some people have the Air Force with the chunky laces. It's kind of like the same vibe. I think these with like big jeans or like cargos. Like today I've got like baggy, well, they're like skinny jeans, but they're like flared. They're like flared at the bottom, so I think they're like flared at the bottom, so I feel like over these shoes they're a vibe. Yeah, but I'm just obsessed with this colorway. I want like more colorways because I just think they're so cool. But I just went with this kind of less vibrant colorway for now, just because, you know me guys, I love blue so much. Blue is my favorite color. I mean, of recently it's been green, but green can be second favorite because blue just tops it all. Well, I'm obsessed. They're just so chunky and so cool. I'm going to put one on my foot right now. The quality is just insane, to be honest. It is insane. I'm going to put one on to show you guys because I think they're like, you need to put them on to show you. Also, do I want to tie it in a bow? I don't know if I want it in a bow. A bow might be too much, but they're so cute. Actually obsessed. Especially with like baggy pants. If you can see, they're so cute. I love them. Oh yeah. Who am I? They're so cute. Like, how are they not cute? Like, how can you not like them? I'm obsessed. Oh, they're so cute. Sorry, this angle probably isn't the best to show you, but my camera is on a tripod. But yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with them. This colorway is amazing. And I always message Coeebags on Instagram or WhatsApp because I feel like that's the quickest way to just get in contact with them. They do also have a website, so I will leave their website link down below for you guys. But yeah, the team are lovely. They always get back to me straight away and they're very helpful. So I will leave all their links down below for you guys, their Instagram, their website, their WhatsApp, and any other platform you may need. I do have a discount for you guys. I'll just leave it on the screen here for you now, and you can just use that to get some money off on anything on the website. They have multiple brands to choose from. I will also link down below my other videos with them if you like them things instead, like bags instead of shoes. But honestly, I'm obsessed. I feel like these are like in right now as well. Like, you can't tell me they're not cute. I'm obsessed. But yeah, I really want like different colorways now because I just think they're so funky. They're so different, like, because I'm usually like a Jordans girl or like Air Force, but I think these are so cool and they have multiple colorways to choose from. And I think they're bringing out loads more colors because I feel like they had like a set few colors and then they brought out loads more, obviously different seasons and stuff. But yeah, I actually can't wait to wear these. Even for the summer, I think these are going to be cute to style. And they've got like little detail on the back, and they're such a sturdy, well-designed shoe. Like, honestly, I wish I made these. I mean, I don't really have any much more to say. I just think they're gorgeous. I love the colorway, and they're like a sturdy, heavy, beautiful material. Like, the stitching is immaculate, the design immaculate. It's even got like metal loops here for the laces. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed. And the logo there, it's such a well put together shoe. And I feel like it's easy to clean, even though like this bit's suede, but like the front bit here has like a protector bit here. It's just like a little bit of a different design. I just think it's gorgeous. It also comes with a tag on and this like security tag, but I'm gonna cut that off. But yeah, it's just so well wrapped, well protected. Literally every time they pack things for me, it's always well packed and well wrapped. So shout out to you guys. But they're absolutely stunning and I'm obsessed. I just love the colorway because they had a different colorway with like more of a yellow bottom, which I think are more of the classic ones, but I prefer these. I will link all my previous videos with Coeebags and I will also leave all their links down below. If you have any questions, do just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. I love chit chatting to you guys. You can follow me on Instagram if you want to see me wear these shoes. I also have TikTok. I don't really use TikTok that much, but I have TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. I want to start streaming if you guys would be interested in that. I just wanted to say a quick thank you to Coeebags for sending me these gorgeous shoes. I'm absolutely obsessed and I can't wait to wear them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I will be doing many more, so please, if you have any recommendations for videos you'd like me to do, please let me know. I'd love to do mukbangs, so if you guys would be interested in mukbangs or like cooking videos, please let me know because I'm obsessed with cooking. I love cooking. I love spicy food. I love all types of food. There's loads of food I'd love to try, so if you guys would like mukbang videos, let me know. And also, because I live here now, there's so many more options of food to try compared to back home. So there's so many things and places I'd love to try, so let me know. Or if you have any ideas or recommendations, please let me know. And I can do them for you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!